7 cups all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and in that container I have pepper, butter, milk, onion, 3 eggs, 2 cubes, 1 baking powder, and 3 carrots. Oil, have sardine. I measured 1.5 cups milk, but I only used, I didn't use everything. You can also use water. So I think it's okay like this. Yeah, this is 1 cup. This pink one is the half. I didn't use everything. I will wait for the oil to hot a little before I start frying it, and make sure the oil is not too hot. I just threw some little onion into the oil to see if it's hot enough. The onion also have some flavor to add to the fish roll. If you don't want it, you can skip that part. So please watch this video to the end. If you have not liked this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. I also have other videos on my channel, like how to make egusi soup, how to make ogbolo soup, okra and ogbolo soup, how to make vegetable soup, how to make puff puff, and I have so many videos on my channel. You can go and check it out for me, please. And make sure the heat is not too low so that your fish roll will not soak oil. And make sure the heat is not too high so that the outside will not be ready while the inside will still be raw. So just make sure you control the heat. If you have not liked this video, remember to like my video and comment where you are watching from. Comment please, and help me share this video so that others can also see it. If you have any question, you can leave your question at the comment section. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please watch it to the end. I would like to see you next time. Bye bye.